Welcome to Quality Education. In previous video, I have explained to you the entire process, step-by-step guide to buy your own house in Finland. As I explained, it's a hassle-free process, easy to understand. If you are working full-time, you have your full-time contract, you don't have much money, but you have a small amount of down payment. If you have a continuous resident permit or permanent resident permit, of course, you can easily buy the house. Bank can offer you the loan to purchase the house. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you only about the banking process. Regarding banking process, in the previous video, as I have explained that in the first step, you need to have your financing approved. You need to see your financial condition. You have to contact the bank and ask for the pre-approved mortgage and talk about the collateral and everything, stuff like that. Once you have seen the house, you have planned to buy 2 rooms, 3 rooms, or apartment or something like that, whatever in your mind. You have made your mind, you want to buy the property that costs 200,000 euro, 250,000 euro, whatever, that's in your mind. Once you call the bank, you will explain to them that you want to buy property of this much amount and you want to loan this much amount from the bank. The bank will hire somebody, a staff, who will look after your procedure. Once they approve, actually they are, if they are interested to give you a loan, so there will be an agent or there will be a staff member from the bank who will be assigned for this work. So she gonna contact you or he gonna contact you, book an appointment with you, and they're gonna give you a loan offer. Once you receive the loan offer, again, print it, download it, read it, highlight the things that you want to ask. In the loan offer, there will be loan amount mentioned, how much you will pay to the bank, what will be the down payment, processing fee, ownership transfer fee, stuff like that. Then the interest rate cap, and if you pay some amount that the interest can be like for the 5 years, the interest is not going to increase. So that kind of stuff, everything will be there that you can read it nicely. Then after that, the bank staff is going to book an appointment with you, where she will go through the offer that she has sent to you. So once you go through it, you have your all questions, you clear your all question. Of course, it's a transparent procedure. You don't need to worry that somebody's going to scam you or something. Scams doesn't happen in this country, especially from the banking, when you have a close system with the banking. Once you have your discussion done with the bank, with the agent, and after that, they're going to send you the final loan offer, that this is the final loan offer and this will be the amount you're going to receive and everything. Then you can follow the process and everything. So this will be your first contact with the bank. Then you go through the process of housing and everything. So the second thing is banking fee. Once you process the loan with the bank is going to charge you 800 euro. For us, the OP bank, they charged us 800 euro banking fee that we paid. Other than that, what other payments and everything that was included in the loan, and with the ownership transfer and stuff like that, that's something different. So you will have all the detail in the loan offer. Another nice thing related to the bank, once, of course, when you purchase the house, the bank is gonna pay to the seller the whole amount. The seller is gonna take the amount, and you will get the key and everything. But from the very next month, of course, you need to start paying to the bank. So the plan usually is the same. So for example, in my case, when we bought the house, the amount we had been paying to the housing company for our living, it is almost the same amount we're gonna pay to the bank, just a little bit difference of 40 or 50 euro. So same amount monthly we're gonna pay to the bank. But once you buy the house, you pay the service fee, kunto tarkastos, the banking fee, and if you have like down payment to pay, then you pay all of that. Then of course, end of the day, your account is empty. If you are like a person who is earning, of course, you earn money, you pay your rents, you have your family, you also send money to your home country. So it comes a little bit of financial burden on you. But here the good thing is, bank will offer you initial 6 months just interest payment. Like you're gonna pay only interest to the bank, you don't need to pay the whole amount. So you had been paying the rent, so here the same amount you have planned to pay to the bank, but you don't pay them, you pay them some interest amount. So you have 6 months time to stabilize your financial condition. This is something good that I like. The bank will give you a time to recover your financial condition. So 6 months time you have. The another thing is to open a bank account. So once you, for example, in our case, we took the loan from the OP bank. So we had to open an account. So physically we went there to the bank, the whole family, and we opened our account. It was an easy process. I live in Vanta, and in Vanta, Tikurilla around area, they have their branch, and easy parking facility there. We got our accounts opened, and everything was perfect. So it was just a one day visit there to the bank. Again, the hassle free process. Just one day you go and open your account. That's the only physical presence you have. Everything was done on phone and by emails and messages like that. Once you open the account with them, of course they're going to offer you the credit card, because in our case they offer as a credit card, and we need credit card. Of course, if you live with a family, of course you travel around in the other countries, so you need a credit card to purchase the ticket, or sometimes you have financial trouble. Of course the credit card can help you. It's like I can say also the bank itself is a nice bank. They have good offers, and of course good customer service. In English they provide all the customer services. It's easy to communicate to them and read the messages and everything. So account was open, the credit card was approved, and within a week we received the credit card in our post box, and we got it and we started using it. Then the next step is funds transfer. Of course, once you decided with the bank to take the loan, to pay the banking fee, processing fee and stuff like that, then will be some amount of money that you pay to the bank. Or if of course if you want to pay 5%, 10% of the payment, so how you gonna pay? So fund transfer is also very easy. Like for example, in my case, from S Bank, I already have bank, so I transferred the money to my another bank account, and it was just transferred within an hour. So I didn't need to go to the bank to do this process. It was quickly done. Just transfer only. I increased my limit there and transferred the amount there, and here's the limit again. So very smooth. And after that, if you want to close the account, of course I remember the previous countries I lived. If you want to close the bank account, you need to go through the bank clearance and stuff like that, and it takes time. Physically go there, do the clearance of everything, call the credit card, call the bank to close the credit card and everything. But it is very easy here. Like for example, I opened the account with this bank, and if I want to close it with the another bank, I don't need to call them or tell them anything. Everything can be done here. So once I open it with them, if I want to tell them to close it, they're going to do the process themselves to close the bank account. So I have my account. But if you want to keep the both accounts, of course you can keep. But here you need to be careful, because for example, if you are going to finish it at the end of the month, and end of the month your salary will be released from the account, your workplace, your boss has your previous bank detail, or the HR has previous bank detail. So in that case, what you have to do, keep the account, get the salary and transfer it back here, and then you close it. So this one also you need to be careful, because getting the salary, you have to submit your account and tax details to the boss, so that they can process it in their HR. This was entire banking process, very easy, very smooth, hassle free. I didn't have to struggle. One day only I went just to open an account, and everything was done on phone and by emails, all the agreements and everything. And regarding fund transfer also, from my side was easy. And then the bank, during the DEAS procedure in the previous video I have explained, I didn't need to inform the bank, and they didn't call me as well. Just the seller called me that bank already paid and everything is done in the DEAS Palvelo. When I see the process is completed, when you want to come to take the key, so the same day I went and I took the key. So in summary, call the bank, get the loan offer, book an appointment with them, get the final offer, inform the bank regarding the housing condition and everything. You're already done with them. And once the process go through the DEAS Palvelo, the bank already knows, so they will have the information. You don't need to call them and inform them everything. Go to the bank, open the bank card for you and for your children, get the credit card and debit card. In one card you can receive both. This is the thing I like. One card you have that you can use for the debit card and credit card. Nice bank. For example, if I recommend the bank like OP Bank, nice bank, services in English, you can get the information very clear and very transparent. Branches everywhere, easy access. Then fund transfer and closing the account. So this is the entire process that I have explained to you. Regarding the insurances also, like mortgage, along with the mortgage insurance, of course you take the small house insurance that you pay like 22 in I had before. If insurance, I would pay like 22 euro per month, but they charge me only 20 euro. So it's less than that, nice insurance also. So my car insurance, I had Fenia insurance, so I changed also to OPay. So I have all the insurances with them. So I'm going to use their cards and everything. So there are also like bonuses added in my account if I use the the services and stuff like that. This was the entire procedure, banking procedure. Of course, it is the same procedure everywhere. You can have the information from here. If you have any question or comment on the video, please drop down in the comment section. I'll get to you there. And if you are planning to buy the house, please watch these two videos, get motivated, and buy your own house. So this is enough for today. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.